Okay, so this is a Maracay Trendsetter floor plan that's expanded because it is on a corner lot next to the park here. Backs to the 15th hole, right at the hole. And being expanded, it is about 200 square foot larger than the original floor plan. It's very lightly lived in. Has been further upgraded since purchase. And you're gonna have beautiful mountain views of southeast towards the Estrellas. Really focus on the open area, common area, more than the rooms here. Original owners. Formal dining. That built-in was done after the purchase. Like I said, we are on the 15th hole at the Victory course, which is the signature hole at this course. The spillway from the spa into the pool. Very nice. So I'm the first one through here. I had an appointment. Client was not able to make it. Nice orange. I like that it's a corner with a view lot or view fencing, sorry. Great view. So we're looking towards the Estrellas, not necessarily towards Phoenix. Not towards Phoenix. I'm gonna go in and through into the master, and then I'll shut it down. Thank you. Great views. Nice size master. Really nice walk-in shower. And as I was mentioning at the beginning of the video, being on a corner lot, it has an extended master suite. The living room is extended. So on 3 sides, the house is extended.